Hello to everyone. On this video, I want to share with you all an unforgettable way back from Muktinath to Jomsom. So after worshipping at Muktinath temple and having a holy shower at 108 water spouts, it feels blessed and having a soulful peace of mind. This is a 35 feet stone carved Buddha statue, and at the right you can see all those snow-capped top mountains. Wow. Wow, what a wonderful place out here. The Muktinath temple and this Buddha statue is a nice place to visit out here, where we can see all the surroundings and we can feel all the snow-capped mountains. It's amazing and mesmerizing to see. After spending an hour out here, we are heading back right now. Mahadevji, let's go! So we all are heading back towards Jomsom. With a soulful memories which will be treasured for my entire life. As we all four are way back to Jomsom right now, so on the way I will share you all the memories which we have spent out here. Stay tuned, keep watching, enjoy the vibes with me. After riding some time, we halt at a place where the scenic beauty looks awesome. Then my colleagues decided to have a bihu dance out here. Being an Assamese, we must have a bihu out here in Nepal and in Lower Mustang. Isn't it amazing? And let's enjoy the bihu vibes with us. Then we took out our fulam gamusa and tie on our head and let's dance. We are so proud to have a bihu dance in Mustang Valley at an altitude of 12,343 feet. After spending many hours at this place, we all four decided that we will have another day in Mustang Valley to explore the Dumba Lake and Marfa village. I am so speechless right now and no words to describe the Nepal's beauty. I am totally spellbound. Please keep watching the majestic beauty of Mustang Valley. Finally, I am going to end my video. See you all in the next video. Dumba Lake, Marfa village.